Write down this success rule. Trust me. If you want to be badass, here you go. Number 1, surround yourself only with badasses. Or number 2, people who are on their way to becoming badasses. They're not yet, but you see the twinkle in their eye. They see the potential. But remember, these 2 only work if you follow the 3rd one. Be a badass yourself, because you can't be judging people if you're not a badass already or on your way to becoming a badass. Now, this is a tough rule because to implement it sometimes feels a little bit harsh. You got to start, and people do it wrong. Some people do it wrong. So they look around them, and this is primarily for friends and family. Okay? It also applies to coworkers and things like that, business partners, acquaintances. But where you go wrong with this is you instantly find some people that have been close to you, old friends, family members, and you cut them out completely. You don't have to do that. Remember what the rule says is spend time. So time is incremental, meaning you can just reduce the time that you spend with people that aren't badasses. But you got to do this. Now, I gave you those 3 principles. You could put them in reverse order. Number 3, which is be a badass yourself. You'll have no credibility calling people out if you aren't badass. And you want to judge yourself even more critically than other people, more harshly, because Rush will come off like a hypocrite. What's going on here? Got lots of people. What are you guys working on? Get some work done. Lots of fun stuff.
Are you gonna go meet
Dan
outside?
Hey. Look at those glasses. Do you like those glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever I follow this rule well, life starts to be amazing. Whenever I start to compromise and let quality decrease, it comes back to bite me in the butt. So what I try to do mentally is rank where I am 1 to 10, and then let's say I'm at 7 or something like that. Focus on myself first, bump it up. Then I start evaluating people around me. Now I have a lot of employees, so I do it with employees. And I say, you know, work for me. You're either a badass already, or I could see it potential in your eye, or else I'm gonna waste my time trying to work on you, you know, and improve your business skills. You got to do the same thing. Family's the hardest, but oftentimes the most necessary. Remember, you probably have a big family, so you can pick or choose and spend more time around the people who pass this 1, 2, 3 test, and less time. Doesn't mean you have to cut everybody out completely. You don't have to excommunicate them. I lived with the Amish for 2.5 years. They have something called excommunication. You don't always have to do that, but you do need to say the quality of my life is determined by the quality of my surroundings. So, I'm gonna get my haircut here. Here, can I do that last? Who do you look like? Who does everybody say you look like for all the YouTubers? Jenna Marbles is here to cut my hair. Not really, it's not Jenna, but it looks kind of like it. I'll be back. I'll be back in a few. I got lots going on at the house, Knowledge Society headquarters. Try to keep it active. People say, Ty, what the hell do you do? So much is going on. I'm like, yep, I don't like to be bored or boring. We got a live call. If you're not coming on the daily live calls, you're missing out. I had a dude selling $2.7 million worth of shirts. I had the biggest guy, one of the biggest app guys who built an app. I got chair massage going here. Adrian, you got a tough life, man. Tough life to work for me, huh?
This knot is ridiculous.
What would Arnold Schwarzenegger say?
Get this knot out to me now.
See what else is going on. See what Anton's doing. Anton, what's today's live call about?
Reaching success. Are you kidding me?
Reaching success. We got all the cameras going, streaming to 72 countries. Yeah, you can check that out on Tylope. I won't. Hello, everybody. What's up? Somebody said, how much is Ty paying you? Nosy. We got Nosy McNoster over here. All right. Going up. My cousin came in town. She's a pro soccer player. Where's Christina? Hey, Christina. Come up here. Hey, Nathan. Nathan. Jeff. Bring me my portable charger. This is about to die while I'm recording. Christina. Tell her to come down. Sorry. I'm gonna start vlogging more. I got my garden going. Oh shit. We got the garden going. What's up?
Hi.
Are you playing soccer or doing yoga?
Both.
You got them soccer skills? Got the garden going. I tilled up over here. They were helping me till up over here. Get this bad boy rock and rolling. Hey, Christina. Come show us some. Let Christina dribble for a second. Christina, my cousin, just got drafted by the Orlando Pride. So, let's see. What's up? Can you show us? Show a little. One take. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Peanut butter jelly time. Oh! One take, baby. Anyway, if you ain't following my Snapchat, Ty Lopez 1, and hers is what? Seaberg's 4.